This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Hakka Noodles. First, gather your fresh vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage, slicing them thinly. Next, boil about 200 grams of your favorite noodles until they are perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Finally, prepare your signature sauce by combining soy sauce, vinegar, and a touch of sugar for that authentic flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or pan over high heat until it's smoking. Add minced garlic and ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, toss in your prepared vegetables, cooking them quickly for 2 minutes to maintain their crispness. This high-heat method is key to achieving that perfect Hakka noodle texture and flavor. It's time to bring it all together. Add your perfectly boiled noodles to the wok with the stir-fried vegetables. Pour in your prepared sauce, ensuring it coats every strand. Toss everything vigorously for about 1 minute, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh spring onions for a burst of color and serve your delicious Desi Hakka noodles immediately. For the best results, always use a large wok to ensure even cooking and easy tossing of your noodles. Don't be afraid to customize the spice level. Add more green chilies or a pinch of chili flakes if you prefer a hotter dish. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Hakka noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.